Deputy RDC.
Deputy RDC.
The Brigade Commander. The RPC.
RPC.
Our parish priest here.
Aladit Pade.
The family of the late General Okech.
The late General Paul Okech.
Our friends from George Fox University.
George Fox University.
And everybody who has gathered here today. Our first request to you, although the parish priest prayed for us that we stand up for a moment of silence for our late brother, General Paul Okech.
Kidibeti la dit padi ulego dongogo eto enelego ni kongwa ai wunu malo kawa mi waro bot wonwa la dit late
and manage to stand.
Pijo mano giromo a malo mechung.
So continue to rest in peace.
Lego tibune kula yue kabel me coach.
Thank you so much.
Ofoye tutwan.
The people of Kitgum, I want you to first tell you that even if you gather here with different elements, but you are looking so good, you should clap for yourselves.
Luak me Kitgum kidibedi wa gore kan kitian lok mapat ento watika nem mamonya ritual dongchi pirikeke geni.
You know, there is an African saying that when there is a good harvest, you can see the results on people's faces.
Charlotte money wajani kay nem kachi mabe ituna na dugine chot ikomlua.
I first of all want to apologize because our medical team of 5 Division of UPDF that is joining our friends has delayed, and I feel very bad when we are opening and they are not yet here. But I'm told they are about to join the main road at Achoribu.
Anyway, miri kwa kija pian kubiri ke dong yup miro chakego ento luak mamege me Acholpi 5th Division gindo kubiri ke gala manok ento dong gichwa kin yoga kaini me berutie.
And they will be here throughout the exercise to work with our friends and their family to make sure they do all the diagnostics and treatment that can be possible.
Giano buberu kaini peniana deke honi duju ni wenki luak makany wakiwun menero ni pim mapat mamite gen pimo ki nero ni gikonyo in wegi dok mano itia gonya.
Mine is very simple.
Omega ne team ere man chep kuman.
On this very day,
it
is very difficult to resist some temptations of going back into grief, and but I want to thank
Matini Peberi York Berry to 12 Pian Koni Chao Kene we dog foot Cheropo Yarem Ki Chan Mokene Mokarange and a very 4 to 12 Lupajo.
I want to thank the immediate family of General Okech. His brother who is here, I don't know where he's gone. Winnie and Nancy, Mama is not here, their brother is not here. But I want to thank them for standing tall.
Anyway, name your 4 to 12 Uluat Nadit Lieutenant General Paul Okech. Patrick Tika Kaini, Winnie, Nancy. Kilwa mukene weng me ukorono mirobetie atutin komo berupe.
When someone big, the late General Okech was not just tall in stature, but also he was tall in character. When such a big pillar dies, in most cases we tend to, from grief, we tend to become weak, but they have stood tall in strength and maintained this foundation that started in 2022. I want us to clap for them.
Lili uno berudano ma pebo abor ke neto berudano ma dit. Dong kai karme kumu ma wano berga kumne pe karma lunch. Peo geo a family me degiti uti mokene ma be makom berichani ora tika nen dong ene mene wadon chingwa me foyo gi mateka de da pe dwa ko jem makuman ipajo.
Those of us who worked General Okech, especially here in northern Uganda against Kony.
Dong polgi magen gitiu kachel kijelo kech totale ka kumalame Uganda ka kaini.
Especially when some of us had just joined, we were just young lieutenants.
Totale ka armodo football donya no giniti level me lieutenant.
We know which kind of leader he was. We later moved with him to Somalia to pacify Somalia. We know which kind of leader he was, both in wartime and in peacetime. So I thank the daughters and the family for keeping the candle burning. And I want to assure them that the family of UPDF has not forgotten. I know there is a date on our side. We're supposed to work with them on the issue of a monument in Padel, and I can assure them that it will be worked on. I also know that the family's dream is to have the Paul Okech Hospital in the same area in Padel. Nero palatiti erwani ambere ni family nero gitieni kiket odiat inyingla diti ipade. And I'm sure the efforts of the family, UPDF and Muzei, whom I can assure you win and answer that he never forgets his commanders. The government, I'm sure, will work with you to make sure that the whole Okech Hospital is built. As we plan for those to the monument and the hospital, I want to thank you for frog jumping this medical camp so that it can reach different people within Acholi. Donc kiripede wa wote iyo beme iyo po choponero paladiti ki keto gwagonyo chelmo makone bibe meni po ki keto odiare meni fo gitutwal loteno teneno nigi kelo yupe ene worrowe kin ka bere ma patpate mwaka mokaro bere pade de mwaka ne kit gum ukaye wen udong chingu fo bene. Today we are not just celebrating Paul Okech. Just to validate grief, but we are here to celebrate his life. And I thank you, Father, for those comforting words. Because it is through celebrating life that we confront the reality of death. I don't want to take long. I think I wouldn't take long. Let me thank our brothers and sisters from the US, George Fox University, led by Dr. Madi. We don't take you for granted. You're coming. We know how much that ticket from US to here and all those about 13 to 15 hours of flying to here, we don't take it for granted. We thank you so much. At the time that Purata is taking shape in the world and everybody is looking inward, is now trying to look inward, but you choose to fly, and not just to fly to Kampala, but deep to the extreme end of Uganda. This is the last district and you enter South Sudan. So we want to thank you from the bottom of our heart. We want to thank you immensely. And we thank you because you are contributing to humanity. You are joining us for us in uniform and the family to celebrate the death of our late brother. But just know that you are contributing to humanity. And you are also enriching your research and getting better perspectives. You know, when you stay inside one country, you remain with that single narrative. So always come, and Uganda is a very welcoming country. we are evergreen like this. So always come, Uganda is your home. Thank you.